isifo imagine impilo yami yonke.
So he affected you with a disease.
Yes.
And are you comfortable to share it with us?
Yeah, I'm comfortable.
What kind of a disease is it?
HIV.
So when did you find out that it was HIV?
Ngithole ngiqeda umatric, yes, because bengingekho right nje emzimbeni. Ngimncane vele ngomzimba but nje khona la ubona khona ukuthi khona into engidlayo. Then ngihamba ngaya eklinikhi ngathiwa positive. So kumele ngiqale i-treatment. Ngayiqala.
And there wasn't anybody that you slept with, it was just him?
Kube kuyena nje kuphela. I-boyfriend engalala nayo emva kwalokho bisiyasazi story because ngamchazela yonke into ukuthi ngiphuma entweni kanje. Wa-understand.
Did you confront him or uncle?
I did, but over the phone.
What did he say?
Wathi akayazi yena leyo nto. And wathi bani uzokubelieve ukuthi lento eshoyo iqiniso.